I'm talking about page 6, example 17. You need to find the HCF and LCM of 18, 54, and 108. Okay, but the method is by prime factorization. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, prime factorization. That means, okay, you can't use this sort division method. Okay, you can't do it like this. Okay, so prime factorization, that means you express the number as product of prime factors. Okay， 每個數將佢寫咗做質因數連成式。Okay, so I teach you before how to express it as the product of prime factors. Okay, so use sort division for each number. Then 18 equals to 2 times 3 square. Okay, then for 54, okay, 54 equals to 2 times 3 to the power 3. And then one more, 108. Okay, so compare to 54, okay, you got 2 more. So for 108 equals to 2 squared times 3 to the power 3. Okay, so we say that we use the prime factorization. You need to do that. Okay, for each number. For each number, you express it as, okay, product of prime factors, 質因數連成式. Then, okay, use the technique you learned before, like example 16, those before. Okay, I want to find the HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM among these 3 numbers. Okay, for HCF, okay, it is talking about common factor. Then, okay, common factor 即係大家共同擁有嘅 factor 先抽出嚟。Look at the column 2. Look at the column 2. Okay, we just take out power 1. Okay, then for the column 3, okay, we take out the power 2. So finally, the HCF is 18. Okay, how about the LCM? Okay, LCM, that means take out the 公倍數. Okay, you need to find out the 倍數 among 3 of them. So the 2 you need to take it out is to the power 2, because among 1, 2, 3, 2 squared is the multiples. Okay, then among the number 3, you need to take out power 3. Okay, because power 3 is the multiple of power 2, so we take out the power 3. So finally, the LCM is 108. Okay, so we say that this method, okay, is called prime factorization. Okay, look at the example 18 and 19. Okay, you need to do that. You need to find the HCF and LCM by short division. That means you can use what you learned in your primary school. Okay, so you take out the 2 first. So you got 36, and then 48, and then 57. So you need to take out 3 again. 3, so you got 12, 16. So 57 divided by 3 is 19. Okay, so for HCF, you need to take out the common factor. So among 12, 16, and 19, no more common factor, 冇公因數啦. Then finally, the HCF is, just take out this one. It's 2 times 3, it is 6. Okay, for LCM of example 19, so use the subdivision, is this way. Take out the 2, 10, 14, and then 35. So here among 10, 14, and 55, no more common factor among these three numbers. But for you to find the LCM, you need to compare either two of the numbers to see any common factor. Again, you need to take it out. For example, I compare 10 and 14. I still have the 2, so I take out the 2. So here is 5, here is 7. So for 35, you don't have common factor 2, so you just write it down 35 again. Okay, then any two numbers, you take out the common factor. So for example, I take out 5. So here is 1. Here, 7 is not divisible by 5. You just copy 7. But for 45, you still have the 7. Okay. Then 7 and the 7. Here, 7 and the 7. You still can take out the 7. So finally, it is like this. So the LCM is that times the numbers. Okay, like the letter L. So it should be 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 times 1 times 1 times 1. So it is, finally, it is 140. Okay, so that is the difference between short division and prime factorization. You need to look at that question carefully, okay, to see whether you use the correct method to do so. So for today's lesson, okay, you finished these three examples. Then the classwork you need to do is here, as stated here. Okay, so you need to do this classwork as well and upload to Lolio Note. Thank you.